Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Stacky Bird. So, how this works is, when I click, I get taller. I need to make sure I don't hit anything, any of the obstacles. If I do, I die. So, let's just play a little, see what I can do. No, I'm not doing that. Level 2. I'll try to maybe get to 2 zones. Not 2, I mean 3. By the end of this video, I think I can do it. Hey, you made it. Let's go. Okay, level 3. Okay, well. No, I'm dead. Okay, no. Restart. Yeah, I got this. I'm just gonna spam. I am a super tall bird. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Yep. And. Next stage. Interesting. There was one stage that was like a cat. I don't know what that is. What if I just spam? Oh, I'm dead. That's what if I spam. Okay. So I can't get too tall. I don't want the explanation mark anymore. It's dumb. Okay, well. Just have to deal with it. It's not good. Oh, I'm just tall enough. Okay. I'm almost at the end. I don't know if there's another cave. Nope. Just gonna go. Let's go. What's this? What? Okay, so I can't really go up well. I can barely go up. Okay, come on. Go up. It's so hard to go up. Okay, and made 200, I think. No, I'm good. I'm gonna go to skin. 200, 700. This one is 250. Okay. Maybe I'll get one. Okay. Of course, there's an ad. Of course. Okay. Don't care. I don't understand what this says. Oh no, I'm dead. Yeah, I didn't mean to click that one extra time. Go. Okay. Oh, that was close. Almost died. So I could just tap the keyboard and it'll place it'll get bigger. No! I can't go down. Dang it. Okay. And no, I can't get too big or too tall. Gotta be careful. Almost at the end. And spam. Got some money. All for me. Oh, no. No, it wasn't working. Come on. I'm having some trouble. What the heck? Oh, I barely made that. Why isn't it working? What? What the heck? I guess I just gotta keep clicking. I can't Just tap.